Plenty of money around and you just have to grab it, okay? No hard work, simple method. I'm gonna show you step by step, so follow me, hit that subscribe button of course, and let's go. This will of course work wherever you live in the world, okay? You can live in Nigeria, you can live in India, wherever you live, guys. This is the method which will get you a lot of money. And I really mean it, guys. A lot of money is in this strategy, so let's go and see how it's done. First of all, this website is called Cpagrip.com, and there is a lot of money on this website if you know how to do it, okay? It's a simple strategy. You get few of these links, few of these offers, and you find the traffic for it, okay? I'm gonna show you which offers to take, which are the most profitable ones and which are the easiest ones. And of course, I'm gonna get you the traffic sources. It's gonna be really easy, guys. So first of all, of course, just make yourself an account. Click on register. Then you just have to complete this simple information about yourself. First name, last name, company. You don't have company, whatever you want, but this is really important, guys. Publisher top. You have to click on GPT. GPT stands for Get Paid To. Those are the kind of offers which will get you money, okay? And for a simple thing. So when you make yourself an account, go to login. And when you log in inside, this is gonna be your dashboard, okay? First thing that you can see is this chat window. You can get a lot of valuable information on this chat window, okay? People help each other all around on this website, and of course you can see this system bot telling how much money certain people have make, okay? Of course, in the start, you're just gonna be like this Abbas guy who has earned $35 with 51 leads, okay? That's gonna be it. But of course, when you get experienced, you will scale this business and you will get $8,000, just like this required guy, okay? So the first thing that you have to do, okay, first go to offer tools over here and then click on my offers. Now in here, you can see that you can choose a country for yourself. There are country specific offers. So if you find certain offer which is from your country, you can do that as well. But these from US, I'm gonna show you what these does. So for example, I don't know, maybe this one, act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. Now, this is probably the most easiest one because first of all, you get $2 per each one of those. And all that people have to do is to enter their email address, okay? This is why these are called email zip submits. You of course have this one like mobile install, but this will require people to install something on their mobile phone, okay? And that's a bit harder to do. Maybe you can do this one when you are experienced. But the most easiest one is, of course, when people don't have to install anything and they don't have to buy anything, okay? This is the most easiest one because when people enter their email address, you get $2 for each one of those, okay? $2, guys. For each one of those emails entered, you get $2. Now, just imagine if you get 100 people, if you get 200 people. That is a lot of money, guys. Just multiply that by 2 and you get your initial income, okay? But there is a thing in here. You have to go and you have to find the traffic for this. The first thing that comes to my mind is Pinterest.com, and it's a good traffic source. Second thing that you can do is Reddit.com, because Reddit.com has a lot of traffic. It's a really popular website, you know it. If you go on SimilarWeb, you can see that Reddit.com has 1.7 billion total visits per month, and that's a lot of traffic, okay? You can see that it's been declining recently, but 1.7 is still enough, and the majority of it are coming from the United States. And that is exactly why we have chosen this one, and we have combined that with Reddit.com because these are United States-based offers. Of course, Pinterest.com is also good for United States offers. You can see it right in here. Pinterest.com has almost 1 billion total visits, okay? Total visits are 1 million on this website. Just take a look at this. 1 billion last month, and now it's 950 million, guys. And just take a look at this, 41% are coming from the United States, and that's what we need, okay? So you will make something like this guy is doing. So just take a look at this. He's probably doing the same offer. He has just made this picture here, 750 PayPal gift card, and this is the link that he have shortened, okay? So you can do the same thing. Just click on here on your profile. Of course, you have to make yourself an account on Pinterest. Just click on this plus icon, click on pin, and then you just have to complete this. Trust me, guys, there is a lot of money in this strategy, and you only have to invest a bit of your time. It's so easy. Just hit that subscribe button to our channel if you like it. Thank you. So what you have to do is you have to add a picture just like that guy's doing, okay? Then you have to add your title. As far as the title goes, you can just copy this one, okay? You can just copy this from the offer on CPA Grip. Then you can just paste that in here. And of course, the most important thing is that you go and add that destination link, okay? You will grab the link, okay? Grab the link for this offer so people can click on it. And then whenever someone sees this pin, they will click on that thing and they will just enter their email address, okay? That's how easy this is, guys. This is really easy, and you can get a lot of money, guys. Well, you get $2 for each one of those, and that's a lot of money when you think about it. And the best part is that people do not have to buy anything. That's why it is so easy, okay? And if you want to use Reddit.com, what you can use is you can just search for gift cards, okay? Or make money online. You can just use these keywords, okay? So you can see people are already doing that, okay? Gift cards, it's a really popular thing to do. Now, another traffic source that you can use is Facebook.com. It has a lot of traffic, you know it, guys. So you can just type in the search bar, make money online, okay? And then just go over to groups, okay? Groups have a lot of traffic, and all of these people are gathering here for a reason, okay? They want to go and they want to make some money online. Well, what you can do is you can just go and join into some of these groups. I suggest the more the better, okay? And then what you have to do is you just have to paste that exact picture that you have used on Pinterest and then just add your destination link, okay? That is really easy. People are gonna click on it and then they have a chance to get that 700 PayPal gift card. You can see people are already doing that. You can do it as well, and a lot of people are gonna enter that email address because they don't have to buy anything. I repeat, it's so easy, guys. They just put in that email address and they forget about it, okay? But you are getting that money, guys. You're getting that money. And of course, you are not limited at how many of these offers you want to run. You can do all of these if you want. You just have to invest your time, and the more time you invest, the more money you will get. And really, it doesn't matter which one of these traffic sources you use. I suggest that you use all of them, and that's how you maximize your profits. All of them can work, and all of these offers can work. You just have to invest your time in it. You have to set it up, and the money is gonna come. So I suggest that you just take some action, guys, and I'll catch you later.